How to play Palworld multiplayer on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you on how to play Palworld multiplayer on PC. It's a really quick and an easy process, so follow along. Playing multiplayer on PC is possible whether you are on Steam or on the PC Game Pass version. However, there is a crucial disclaimer. As of today, crossplay exists in Palworld, but it's only available between PC consoles and the PC Game Pass version. This means you can't crossplay between the Steam and the PC Game Pass. In order to play multiplayer with friends, ensure that everyone is using either the Steam version or the PC Game Pass version. To start a multiplayer game, one person needs to host the world. This person should have the most time available and the best computer since they will be hosting the server. The rest can join the multiplayer game. The host should start the game, create a new world, and enable multiplayer. Customize the settings as needed, and once ready, click on OK to finish the setup, and the host will load into the world and create their character. In order to invite friends, the host needs to access the invite code by pressing escape or going to the menu. Share this code with your friends. The one joining should go to the main menu, select Join Multiplayer Game, paste the invite code without any spaces, and click OK. Remember, the host cannot leave the single player world or the server will close, disconnecting everyone. I hope this guide helps you play Palworld multiplayer on PC. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.